What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I just finished filming a video for you here in Five Below, showing you a lot of back to school items, but now I am back here in makeup and beauty, and I am seeing lots and lots of new things. Let's start off with this super huge Urban Butterfly makeup brush cleaning mat. It says wash eyes, refine eyes, rinse face, wash face. These are super, super huge, and it looks like you could really clean a lot of brushes at the same time, or, you know, like use a certain area and then clean the mat. I really like these. And guess what, you guys? We have so many new makeup brush holders here. Let's start. We have Love Your Fabulous Self. Okay, this one has been here, but I love it. Good morning, gorgeous. Behind every successful woman is herself. Yes. May your day be as flawless as your makeup. Wake up and make up. And then we have this one that says Pretty Little Things. Be as bold as your makeup. This one has been here. Wake up and makeup, but first makeup. A smile is the best makeup. That one is definitely new. Girls Do It Better has been here. Kiss Me has been here. Don't let today be a waste of makeup. Ooh, look at this one. Super, super pretty, and these are dishwasher safe. You guys don't have to use these for makeup. They're just super pretty, but no, they don't have handles. This one is gorgeous. Kitty has been here with the ears. When in doubt, wing it out. Love that. This is kind of a even heavier, sturdier, almost cube-like square container. Be your own kind of beautiful with the red heart, and then we also have Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful in all gold. Oh my gosh, what do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? I really love Behind Every Successful Woman is Herself. I also really love A Smile is the Best Makeup. I also love the Girls Do It Better. I love the little tiny kisses, and also I love this one. You guys, I love them all. When in doubt, wing it out. I love the eyes on this one. These new ones that are square, they're super, super heavy. They're a lot heavier than the other ones. I really love them. There is so much new stuff to look at. This Living Color set is brand new. It's a 5-piece tri-color lip gloss. Every single lip gloss has 3 colors in the bottle. So that is definitely brand new. You guys know I like to focus on the new stuff. So hit that notification bell, you guys. If you hit the bell and watch my daily videos, then everything else you guys would have seen me show in the past. I really, really try to focus on what's new every week when I come in. We have the So Very Sexy. This is their impression of Oh So Sexy by Victoria's Secret. This one is really cute and girly and fresh. This is the Kimberly Sweet Peach. It's a dupe for one of Kim Kardashian's recent scents. And then we have some other dupes here. We have a Michael Kors dupe called Sunny Side. It's a dupe for Sexy Sunset. We also have another Michael Kors dupe for Exotic Blossom. This one is called Rare Flower. And then we also have one more dupe for Victoria's Secret Heavenly. They're calling it Clouds and Wings. What should we smell, you guys? What should we smell this time? You know what? Let's try this one. Let's smell So Very Sexy. Are you guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, spray. And sniff. Wow. That smells really, really nice. Okay, we're gonna try one more. We are also gonna try this Viva Las Vegas blush. This one is also brand new. I'm not really seeing the bottle. I see Viva Las Vegas Night, but anyways, let's try this Viva Las Vegas blush. Okay, let's turn over here. That Victoria's Secret one smells so amazing. I really love it. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and spray. And sniff. Mmm. That is really nice too. That's really nice. Okay, but out of the two, I'm going to tell you guys already, I am loving the So Very Sexy. It smells amazing. I know I've smelled the So Very Sexy or the Oh So Sexy in Victoria's Secret. I know I've smelled that one in the past, and that smells like exactly like it. I think I'm going to have to get this today. I just found some new palettes, you guys. This is called Sunset Palette, and it's rose gold, like everything. The colors are so beautiful and warm. Wow. Sunset Palette is really pretty. This is also brand new up here. This lip hydration. I love the bottles. I love the packaging. And they're saying it's honey infused. Honey infused, you guys. The bottles look really chunky, and there's like glitter in there, and they just look so girly and pretty. I just found another one, you guys. This is also by Smoke and Mirrors for $5. This is called Essential Nudes, and the palette looks just so pretty in the pink and gold. Ooh, and this is what it looks like inside. And yes, these are very nice nude colors, very neutral tones, light browns, very light pinks, sort of peachies. I found an eye and cheek palette by Smoke and Mirrors. It's called Temptation. We have 8, 9, 10 shades here. And this is for eyes and cheeks. They have so many palettes in here, you guys, and I have been really happy with the palettes. Now, if I can find the stuff, you guys, I want to show it to you. But if you guys are familiar with the YouTuber Dr.Dray, Dr. D-R-A-Y, she is a dermatologist, and she recently came into Five Below, and she tested out some of the new Color Co products. I think they're over here. She was reading the ingredients off the back, and she was pleasantly surprised. So my perception of that video is that she approves of a lot of these new Color Co products, and I just think that's really important. Like, if you guys can come in here and get beauty and makeup for $5 and under, and it's dermatologist approved, like, that means a lot to me. She really liked these makeup remover wipes. Her main thing is, does it have fragrance or not? And if it has fragrance, she thinks that can be irritating, and I don't believe this had any fragrance. She was also pretty happy with the micellar water. They also have the sheet masks. I don't remember if she talked about that. But then they have a couple other things, like they have a setting spray. I don't see where that is, but oh, the facial mist. I think she pretty much approved everything by Color Co because it's all fragrance free, and she was pretty happy with the ingredients. So wow, thank you, Dr. Dray, for going into all of these stores and letting us know what is good for us to use on our faces, even on a budget. But yeah, you guys, over here, this Color Co brand is growing more and more every week. They have a lip restore kit. They have Perfect Matte. They have glossy lippies. They have setting sprays, little setting sprays. They have setting powder. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. That's so cute. I got this one last week, you guys, and I already put some items in it. It's kind of like a shaker makeup bag, and it's clear, and it has the pretty confetti in it. I just love it. They also have highlighter up here. This is another highlighter. They have some palettes. You guys just run into your Five Below and check out this new Color Co brand. They have a lot of options, including a set of lip scrub. This is a 3-pack of lip scrub. This is a glossy tinted lip balm. You get 5 shades for $5. Birdy got one of these last week, you guys, in purple. She hasn't tried all the attachments yet. However, she tried it on her face, and she's like, I love this so much. And look, you guys, they also added little massage rollers. It says body and facial care. This one says mini dual. They added a compact mirror for $5. They have tons of face masks in here. Oh yeah, you guys, I was wanting to tell you, I recently tried the Sugar Pop or the Sugar Bubble Pop soaps. You can just pull out the big popsicle stick and you have a nice big bar of soap in your bathroom. It's a glycerin soap. It's not super scented, but I really love it. It feels really nice on your hands. I've just always been a fan of Glycerin Soaps. Ever since Bath & Body Works used to put out Glycerin Soaps. They still have the jade rollers. If you guys maybe couldn't find one in Dollar Tree, those little mini ones in Dollar Tree, they've been having them here for about a year, and I really, really love mine. Let's just see if we have anything else new over here. They have amazing makeup brushes in here. I've been using this lately. I really love it. It kind of smells like a cross between popcorn and coconut. It's a smell I actually really like. It works well for drying your nails. And I also recently tried this. It worked amazing. It's $4. It's the pure acetone Onyx nail polish remover. And the reason I tried that, you guys, is because I tried a pair of the fashion nails from here. I tried, let's see if they have the set that I had on. It was like mermaid. So anyways, you guys, I tried a set of the nails. I put them on and had them on for 5 days. I had a thumbnail bend back because I kind of smashed it into something when I was loading the car. And then I had a pointer fingernail pop off. So within 5 days, I did 2 nail repairs, and I did have to file them to make them fit nicely on my own nails. But, you know, I really like them. My husband said, oh, those are nice. They don't look bulky and thick like how acrylic nails sometimes look. So he didn't hate them, and he is like not a fan of anything fake. So I think it got the okay from him, and I really liked them, but I was feeling a little bit nervous about being out all day and filming and having something like that happen. Like, I was like, okay, I don't want that to happen on a filming day. But for the most part, you guys, if you can be somewhat gentle with your nails and you want to wear them for like a little vacation or a couple nights out or something like that, or a wedding, I think they definitely get the thumbs up. I really miss them already, you guys, because I cut my nails down to put them on, and now I have nothing. Everything that I buy in here, I like to let you guys know how good it is, you know, so you guys can make a good decision about the money that you're spending in here. Even if you're getting something on clearance, everything back here is 50% off, and all of these items, like this makeup, I love it so much. You guys know I love this makeup. It's only $1. It's half price, so don't forget your clearance aisle back here in Five Below. They also have a lot of name brand toys and things that would be really, really nice for Christmas. But all right, you guys, I'm out of here. I'm off to the mall to film more videos for you guys. I'm heading out to Forever 21, heading out to H&M, and wherever else I see deals and get inspired to film at. But all right, you guys, I'm out of here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.